If you've been trying to unlock the Temu free gift, but it takes too long, or doesn't show up at all, you're probably missing one step, because when it's done correctly, the system activates almost instantly. So in this video, I'll show you how to unlock the Temu free gift fast and what actually makes it work. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. Why it can work in 60 seconds. Let's be clear, Temu free gift is not instant completion, but activation can be very fast. That means the event appears quickly. The system starts immediately. You skip the usual confusion, so it's not click once, get item, it's enter correctly, a system activates, progress begins. Why most people don't see this? Here's the issue. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, then try to find the free gift, but by then they're already outside the system and nothing shows up. The time-wasting mistake. If you enter the wrong way, you stay in normal shopping mode, you don't see the event, and you waste time trying random things. That's why it feels slow. Part 2. The fast method. Here's what actually works. Step 1. Enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2. Activate immediately. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is linked. Step 3. Open Temu. After that, open the app. You should instantly see free gift event, reward screen, item selection. This is where the 60 seconds comes from. Step 4. Enter the code. Now apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active campaign. Step 5. Follow the flow. Now just follow the steps. Offers, tasks, interactions. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real, activation can be very fast. System works when entered correctly. Rewards are possible, not instant full completion. Some steps take effort, results can vary. Final takeaway, unlocking the Temu free gift quickly isn't about luck. It's about entering the system the right way. Do that, and everything starts appearing almost instantly. Try this method and comment what happened. Did it unlock within seconds for you?